welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cooking chicken Parmesan from Chick-fil-A. This box right here, and we take it out of the box. Instructions, and then it comes with broccoli, cherry tomatoes, breadcrumbs, a lemon. This is the chicken. It's 2 pieces. They're marinated. This is tomato sauce, Alfredo sauce, and cheese. And then this is the noodles. And then it comes with 2 yogurts that look like sour cream from Wendy's. Okay, so we are gonna get started with this. I'm so excited to try this. Y'all all know, most of you all know that I am Chick-fil-A lover. Brittany is over here chilling. He is dirty as can be, which is always. He's been such a mess today, wild and whiny. And he learned how to nod yes. Yeah, good job. He's been nodding no forever, and now, see, no, yes, and now he nods yes. It's so cute. Good job, baby. All right, so the first step is to wash your hands. Don't want no grody hands in the food.
Oh, I see.
All right, I'm gonna dry my hands. Step by step of what to do. So it says gather ingredients. I got them together. Wash hands. I already did that. Now we're gonna preheat the oven to 400. All right, so it's on 400. Now we're gonna get a clean cutting board. It says on a clean cutting board, cut the broccoli into half pieces and place in a small mixing bowl. Cut the grape tomatoes in half and add to a mixing bowl, and then set vegetables aside. All right, so I'm gonna get this mixing bowl. Is this the knife you want to use, babe? Is this the knife you want to use?
That'll work.
All right. So there's that. And we're going to use all of this because in the note, it says chef's note, and it says you can eat the entire stem if you like. So I want that. All right, so I'm going to ask you to come cut this because you are the produce cutter.
Cut.
So now we are about to put the chicken on the pan, and we are going to coat it in yogurt on both sides. And you want the breadcrumbs to stick on it. Is the chicken what smells like that?
Smells good. Season.
I love you. I love you. Good. You're so cute. I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So you spread all that on the top.
No, you get a spoon.
No, it has to be flipped and everything.
Yeah, watch.
It works the best with your hand, though.
Get a spoon. Spread it around. Get it all nice and wet and nice. Yogurt on chicken. This is the first. Let me try some. Tastes cheesy.
That's Parmesan.
That's good. I want to eat this plain. So far from testing this, breadcrumbs, it might be pretty good. What are you tasting?
Is it on the bottom too?
Mm-hmm. Alright. Timer goes off. We'll flip it. This is the cheese. We taste everything first. I'll make sure it's good, right? Alright, so the chicken is still cooking. So now we're on step 5. It says add tomato sauce and cheese. And then bake in the preheated oven for 15 minutes until fully cooked. Do you think this is gonna be good?
I hope so.
I've already tasted this Alfredo sauce and it is so good. Now we're going ahead and squeezing in the lemon. This is the end result. So freaking good. Delicious. Apparently, was it so good? Did you like it? Alright guys, so I just got done eating the chicken Parmesan meal kit from Chick-fil-A. And I just want to tell you what I think about it. I think that I was so skeptical in the beginning because I thought that it didn't look like a lot of food. It's kind of pricey, $16, when I still have to come home and cook it and then clean the mess up when I could just go out to eat and pay $16 for 2 people and not have no mess. So I came home and I cooked it and it was super easy to cook and it tasted phenomenal. Like, it tasted so fresh and the chicken was so tender and it was really like super delicious. It is new, so who knows what will end up happening with it. And so the baby monitor just started making noise. I guess Alec's in there. So, Alec, I am definitely going to be trying it again. I am super stuffed off of it. I definitely think that it's enough food. I thought that I'm a pig and I like to eat a lot, so I thought that wouldn't be full, but between the chicken and the pasta, it is definitely a great portion size. There's a freaking fly in here that is driving me insane. If I had one recommendation, it would be that they include, or for an upcharge, have a half a gallon of sweet tea with it. That would be cool. I think it should just include it for 16 bucks. What's up?
What's up?
I think the baby monitor like just cut on by itself.
I think it's been on all day.
Was you in Brittany's room? There was a lot of noise in there. super thumbs up. I am so impressed with this. Chick-fil-A is perfection in everything they do. Oh, I love Chick-fil-A. And then I just got to make Chick-fil-A ingredients at my house, and it was so fresh, so good, and I'm so impressed. I give this a total 5 stars, and I thought that I wasn't gonna like this or buy it again. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these type of videos, then let me know. I'm just playing around with my channel. This was a pretty fun video to make. If y'all like cooking videos, then I could do some cooking videos. If y'all like sit down videos or sit down in a chat, I can do that. I'm gonna continue to vlog at least once a week because I love the memories with my family. I am down for any type of vlogs y'all want to see. So thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. All right, bye guys. I gotta run. I got mom duties.